Hello everyone, this is one of several videos I'll be doing on the Infinity Fleet system and some of its new features. So first we're going to click on this Infinity Fleet icon on our desktop. And that'll open our program. You can hit OK on that box there. One of the most important things about generating a report, which is what we'll be talking about today, is filling out a detailed shop order. So I've filled out one here. As you can see, I've filled in all the information in these boxes. I've also filled out all the information for the customer. And all the information for their insurance. Once you've done that, select a vehicle. We'll go ahead and just select a basic chart here. We'll pick chart B. We'll assign that to the shop order. Then you can go ahead and click into the measurement tab. We don't have any targets set up, so you won't be actually seeing any information here, but I do want to show you one feature on this screen, which is the ability to take a snapshot. So you go ahead and click Take Snapshot. That pops up. We'll go ahead and name it Test. And if we did have targets up, that would show you all the information and the damage coming from those. Next, we can go ahead and click Create Estimate. The estimate's a great way to put the total cost and a breakdown of the labor that you put into a order. So let's go ahead and select Straighten and Align here. We'll say that we did that in the front, that there was crush. These 4 boxes will actually be filled in with information from the targets, so you can't actually edit those, but we can edit the amount of hours we spent on it. We'll say we spent 3 hours at an hourly rate of $50. That's $150. You can add as many sections to this as you want. So let's say we repaired some damage to the A-pillar, some crush, spent about 2 hours on that. The rate of $50 again. You have a total of $250, and you can hit Done, and that'll be saved for later. And then we can go ahead and actually hit the Report tab now. Go ahead and make a new report. And we'll select this ILM template. And then as you can see, it was really useful to fill out all of those boxes in the shop order, customer, and insurance tabs, because now all that information auto-populates in the document, and you don't actually have to fill that out yourself. Now one cool thing we can do is add a photo. So we can go up here to File, Import Pictures, and go to Add Photos. I have a photo on the desktop that I've already picked. So we'll go down, select this. We'll add that and select OK. Click on it and it'll pop up there. Then we can go back to the reports, go to Pictures, and now we see our picture there. And then we can add it to our frame. You can adjust the size of your pictures just by dragging and pulling them. Just whatever looks best on the page to you. We can also take that snapshot we took earlier, and we can add that to our report. And we can also add that estimate we made earlier to our report. There you go. That gives the customer a lot of detail about what you did, what state their vehicle was in, and all that other useful information. Another nice thing you can do is you can actually add your own logo to the template and make it look a little more personalized to your business. So what we'll do here is we'll click on this. You'll see it has a file path here. We'll go ahead and hit cancel on that and minimize it. I've already picked out a logo I'd like to have on the document and placed it on my desktop. So we'll go ahead and drop down, right click and drop down on there, and go to Properties. You'll see this location path here. We're going to go ahead and copy that. Then just remember the name of your file and the file type. So we've got Infinity logo, and that's a JPEG. So we'll go back in to the reports. We'll click on that. We'll select this file path, delete it, and then paste our own in there. And then we'll just put a backslash here, Infinity logo. And it was a JPEG. So JPG, hit OK, and that'll just pop up right there. And you can add any image to that section that you want. Now we've got a completed report with some good information, some screenshots, some estimates, photo of the vehicle and the damage. You're pretty much set to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was useful. Thank you.